Alright guys, we're out here on the river. Henry's over there and digging us a bait pool. Looking pretty good out here. Pole going, got some shad popping. Baits in the area. We've caught us some nice bait. We've got us some shad and some nice perch. Nice perch. Nice looking shad, pretty good size. Big old guys. Look at them. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes out here. Look at that, just beautiful out here. Yeah. Let's see what it brings. All right, fish on, folks. We missed it. Henry's got my pole. Fish on. Bring him in, Hoss.
It's a guard. It's my enemy.
It's his enemy, folks. Don't pull it too hard now. Easy. Let's get him up here. Easy.
Oh, that's a catfish.
Is that a cat?
Yeah, that's a cat. Oh, that's my line.
That's a huge cat. Work him over here. Easy. There we go.
He's coming off my finger.
He's huge.
Oh.
Monster cat.
Oh.
There we go. Look at him. He come right up here. Look at that big boy. There we go, folks. That's what we're out here for. Look at that healthy fella. Woo! Oh yeah, look at that. That's my hand. I'm 6'2". This guy is probably
His eye's gone.
24 inches long.
He has one eye.
We have caught one-eye Willie, folks. Check that out. Unbelievable. What do you say, Henry?